Okay guys, so ito na yung Epson 3110 natin. Nakikita ba ninyo yung dalawang red na nagbi-blink? So sa ating monitor o sa laptop, makikita diyan na service required. So hindi na siya nakakapag-print. So ang sabi doon, a printer's ink pad is at the end of its service life. Yan. So, hindi na siya makakapag-print. So, kailangan talaga siyang ma-reset, guys. Alright, guys. So, i-reset na natin. Okay. So, doon sa adjustment program. Yan. Epson adjustment program. And then, click select. And then, auto selection. Yan, yung merong 3110 series. Click natin yon and then click OK. And then, particular adjustment mode. And then, waste ink pad counter. So, yan yung i-reset natin, guys. And then, click OK. And then, click natin yon. Click, and then yung check. Ayan, kung napapansin ninyo, umabot na siya ng 6,346 points. So, that is the maximum, guys. So, nakuha na niya yung maximum. So, kailangan na nating i-reset yon. So, i-click natin yan, and then, click initialize para mag-0 ulit. Yan, click OK. And then, please turn off the printer. Okay. So, ite-turn off natin yung printer. Turn off natin. Yan. And then, balik tayo doon. And then, click OK. And then, i-on na natin yung printer natin, guys. Ayan. So, na-reset na siya, guys. Hindi na siya nag-blink ng dalawang red. So, okay na.